What's up, guys? It's Oscar. We're back. We're gonna work. We just finished the blow through. This is for a Silverado we just worked on. Short video. So it's a 2016 Silverado customer reached out to us on Instagram and he wanted something built. So what we built him was a blow through. Customer had 412s and he wanted something similar to what we did in the dually to Jose's build. So we did something similar to that. So we're gonna put these lights on. We have a switch. I'm gonna put the lights on. It's still sunny out here where we're at. Open this up. And we're gonna show what we did. There we go. So we did a blow through, 412s. All this is acrylic. There's a COB LEDs, and this is a speaker rack he wanted in the back for I guess for tailgating. And now we're in front of the camera. So that's how it looks right there. So we got out of the glare from the sun right now, so maybe if I close this, let's see, just have more shade. There we go. So that's how it looks right there, the fourth order. So the customer drove 10 hours to us from, I believe, Louisiana. He drove 10 hours over here. He started Instagram, reached out to us. He liked our work. He wanted something similar. So that's what we built him. He had his own subs. He just wanted the work done. So it looks. These are 8-inch CT sounds. I think Messos. I think that's what they are. That's a model of them. Those are on a Teramps amp. And the back one is on a Teramps 12K. So that's what we have. We added excess power battery in the engine bay, 0 gauge wire, big 3, a few things. The speakers are dual 1 ohm, so we have them wired all together. They're wired at 2 ohms, so it takes a 2 ohm into the amplifier. That's what they're wired at. And they made him this beauty panel, but there's a lot of sun right here. See the sun? So, but that's the beauty panel stops, a little past it, right there. That's how that looks. But so the customer's gonna be here shortly. Once the customer's here, we'll make a video of his reaction. Ask him what he has to say. We had on earlier. This thing is very loud and windy. This is for the mids and highs. That's amp we're using for the mids and highs, guys. That's how it looks. Teramps. That's a model. And this is how it looks inside of the cab. The amps are under the seat. Blow through just cut, everything's dynamated. We did cut this. We're probably gonna make him a plexiglass panel, but we didn't have time to do that. But we're gonna make him something so that way the air can come through here. That's how that looks. That way it's more airflow. So we're gonna design him something in here so there's more airflow and it's it looks prettier to the eye. But it's loud, it's super loud. This is the front of the truck. 2016 Silverado. Aftermarket tablet. Yeah, so high country. That looks. Yeah, so when the customer gets here, we'll get his reaction and we'll make a video, guys, so y'all can see what his reaction is. Reactions are always the best. So he did get a demo from us from our the Ford, and he said the Ford, the videos he sees on Instagram does not do it justice. So I told him that this truck's gonna be louder than the Ford because it has more power. I have 2, he has 4. I have 2,000 watts. He has 12,000. It's wired at 2, so it's getting 9,000 watts. So more power, more bass, more louder. But we'll get his reaction here in a little bit, guys. We'll make a video so I can see all this stuff. Wait, I'm recording you. I'm recording. Say hello.
How you doing?
All right. You want to come hear it?
You say you think about them hoes? No, I can't even dream right now.
Yeah. You got it quick. I would crack your window too a little bit so you can breathe more. Right there's good. Yeah, the bass did that. You'll see in a minute. Is it on? Now remember the masking tape has bass. Turn up like 3/4. Remember like 3/4 volume up. And the bass, just ease into it. Put louder. Put the main volume louder. Does it go louder? Turn it up quick. Turn it up. What you expected? Is that what you expected? So, Mr. Quick, can you tell us, were you happy with the results? Do you like it? You love it? All right, Quick. The smile says it all.
Yeah. I can't wait to get back home.
For sure. All right, Quick, appreciate it. Doesn't talk too much.
I ain't a big talker.
No.
It's definitely nice.
So was it a long drive, Quick?
Oh yeah, 10.5 hours.
Damn. Was it worth it?
Oh yeah, it's definitely worth it.
Everybody who's made the drive over here, I think the furthest is 12 hours from Atlanta. But everyone says it's worth it.
Yeah, it's definitely worth it.
That's what they all say.
It helps drive, man. We're going back to disturb the peace.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It makes some noise. For sure. Appreciate it, Quick.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
Yes.
Money where I bees, blue Rex, watch me bob and weave. She got mad.
You like it?
Oh, yeah.
You cut up all the way?
This ain't lamb.
You gotta get used to it. It's scary sometimes too.
My ears around me.
You cut it up all the way?
Yeah, I need some skis. You can't name another nigga call this me. I just hopped